Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly remove Sketchware from system optimization. This is important especially for those with low RAM devices to disable Sketchware from being closed when the system runs out of memory. So simply go to settings, then go to apps, find your Sketchware. So you can go and see all apps and go to S. You should find Sketchware somewhere around here. Choose your Sketchware, go on advanced battery, then battery optimization, then choose all apps, find Sketchware again, so we want to make sure it's not optimized, so the Sketchware which is optimized, just turn it off to do not optimize. So what will happen here is the app will always remain running even though you're using other applications. Do not optimize, then done. Once you're done with this, then you shouldn't face force closes on your Sketchware when the system runs out of memory.